Exciting news this week. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series has some thrilling updates. The zoom camera and the main 200-megapixel camera are both getting improvements, alongside the introduction of a powerful Galaxy AI feature. But before we dive into the details, let's talk pricing, the cornerstone of any top-tier smartphone series. Despite the enhanced AI features and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusive to the S24 Ultra, many anticipated a price hike. Surprisingly, Samsung has kept the prices consistent with last year. $799 for the Galaxy S24, $999 for the S24 Plus, and $1,199 for the S24 Ultra. And there's more to the story. Samsung's offering tempting pre-order deals. Expect a complimentary Galaxy Watch or Buds and fantastic trade-in offers, especially if you're using the Galaxy S22 series. How is Samsung managing this? The key is the Exynos 2400. For the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus in select markets, Samsung is reintroducing the Exynos 2400 while reserving the Qualcomm chip for the S24 Ultra and specific S24 and S24 Plus models. This strategic move helps Samsung control costs while delivering all features, including AI enhancements, starting at $799 for the Galaxy S24. No need to splurge on the Ultra to enjoy these features. Now, the primary camera upgrade for the S24 Ultra. Despite keeping the 200-megapixel sensor, significant improvements in night mode and low-light performance for photos and videos are on the horizon. AI is being incorporated to elevate the 200-megapixel mode. Rumors suggest a default photo resolution of 24 megapixels, potentially a game-changer. Lastly, the Galaxy S24 series is set to introduce numerous Galaxy AI features, notably the ability to remove objects from videos, a groundbreaking move extending object eraser capabilities to videos. The Galaxy S24 series is poised to lead the AI revolution in smartphones. Share your thoughts in the comments, and that wraps up this update. Until next time, peace out.